In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily turn any web page into a QR code that you can copy and paste and use it in documents and flyers and all that sort of stuff. Here I'm in Google Chrome and I'm on the web page that I want to turn into a QR code. What you want to do in Chrome is in the top right hand corner, select on the ellipses, those three dots, and then scroll all the way down to where it says cast, save, and share. And then in this menu down the bottom again, there's the option of create a QR code. We're going to select on this and you'll see it says scan QR code. And then from here, you can either copy it and paste it somewhere, or we can download it. And that way you can put it onto flyers and print it and all that sort of stuff. I'm going to select on download just to show you what this looks like. And then let's open that up. Our Photos app is going to open up and there is our QR code. And the cool thing about YouTube is you get that little dinosaur, which is just kind of cool. If you want to do this in Microsoft Edge, it's actually even easier. I'm going to open up Edge. I got the same web page open, but in Edge, you don't even have to go into the ellipses. Just right click anywhere on the page that is like a blank spot. And then in this context menu, there is the option of create QR code for this page. I'll select on that. A very similar dialog box pops up and then it shows you the QR code that it's made. And then you can either copy it and paste it, or you can select on download and then it downloads it for you as well. Let's open that up. And here is the version made in Edge. But it is that easy to turn any web page into a QR code. Of course, if you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you want to supercharge your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.